If you want some rocks, which is another name for crypto coins, it's made by me. Let's go. Bitcoin is sweet. You put your money in there and then your money grows with it, right? But for people who really don't got a lot of money, I want you guys to understand about something called altcoins. All right, I'm going to go to another website called CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap shows you. I hope that, yeah, okay, good. I went to the right one. So this is CoinMarketCap right here. What CoinMarketCap does is it tells you top coins and tells you how they're performing. It gives you all the information that you need to know in order for you to kind of like see the opportunities in any particular coin, right? And we're not talking about just like some dumbass gold and silver coins that you go buy from some pawn shop. These are pretty much stocks that are now called coins, right? And instead of them being called coins, instead of them being called stocks, they're pretty much a coin, and they're centered around different technologies. All right, and so you go to CoinMarketCap and you see the price on these coins. So for instance, this one, Cardano ADA, right? It's $1.21 per coin. All right, but let's take a look at Cardano. So right now the price, like I said, is $1.21 per coin. All right, but at one time, not long ago, let's see, this is October, so let's move here. This is December 26th. Let's take it even further. This is January 30th of this year. Each Cardano coin was at 36 cents. All right, so this is like about 2 months ago. 2 months ago, right? You see now each Cardano coin today, the price today is $1.21. So had you put $1,000 into Cardano on January the 30th, exactly 2 months later, your $1,000 would now be $3,000. So if you had $1,000 sitting in a bank account on January 30th to right now, it would still be $1,000. Minus any fees that your bank will be charging you. So the point in me saying all of this is just to say, like, if you got a couple of dollars that you want, that you're not using, you should definitely find some type of altcoin project and put your money there, and then your money will be able to grow. Like, the way that I look at it is, when I was a kid, I used to hear stories about people putting money in the bank and then just living off the interest. They say, oh man, if you got $1 million, you can just put that in the bank and just live off the interest. Let me see if this will turn on. Maybe it's unplugged, I don't know. I twisted it. We did a lot of rearranging shooting that movie in here earlier. But the point is that the ability to live off of the interest of anything is probably what we all want. We want to be able to put our money somewhere, and then we want it to grow. So a lot of times people say, like, damn, bro, I got some money. I just don't know what to invest it in. Like, what do you invest your money in? Thank you, babe. That is so much better.
And you twisted it.
Oh, yeah, this is nice. No, wow. Wow. So people always say, like, what should I invest my money in? What is it that I can put my money in and just watch it grow without you really even knowing shit about it? Like, the basic details, and who these coins associate themselves with, but you really don't know. Like, you don't got to go in there and start working for this company. You know what I'm saying? You just put your money there and you let it grow. So I did show you guys that these are some of the coins that have made me some money is this right here, Polkadot. Polkadot is at, let me turn this shit off, please, man. That shit is coming through the headphones and everything. Why is that coming through them headphones? I don't even got it set up on that. I don't know. Fuck it. But Polkadot, all right. I bought Polkadot when it was, I think, $8. $8 a share. I bought about $1,000 worth of it. This is an example of something I spent about $1,000 on, and since that time, I have made about $3,000 in profit. But I'm also just letting my money just sit there. But it's quadrupled since the time that I got it. So I got about $4,000 worth of DOT right now. But I'm also staking it. And so this is another way that you can kind of increase your profit little by little. So with these coins, what you can do is you can say, look, I'm going to let my money sit right here. And since I know that I'm going to do that, you can also kind of like, it's like a double down on your investment. You stake it. And I think that they use your staking to lend it out to other people so they can get it. And then you earn additional interest on top of what you're already growing. So I get another 12.5% on whatever I got in there. So you got your 4,000 plus an additional 12.5% of that per year coming back to me as a return. Right. So this one is kind of high. This is like right now for you to get in it. I don't know if it's high or not. I mean, it's $33.99. Like I said, I bought it at $8. But this Polkadot coin, I mean, it could very easily go to $300 per coin. And you got plenty of coins that are that expensive. But I think what a lot of people want to do is they want to find one of these gems. And I'm going to show you guys in an example of a gem. A gem is something that is very low. It doesn't cost that much to buy it. I actually bought one that I'm going to share with you guys. Let me go back up here and just type it in my search here. I am looking for VeChain. I got another one that really paid me out too, a good one. So right here we are sitting VeChain token, right? This is 8 cents, almost 9 cents, right? We get one more tenth of a cent, we'll be at 9 cents. Now I bought this at 7.9, so it's only went up a penny. But what people are trying to do is they want to catch a coin like this, buy a lot of them. If you got it, let's say you put $10,000 into this, $5,000 in it, right? And so when this turns to 80 cents, your 10,000, it did a 10x, your 10,000 will go to 100,000. And this particular token, let me turn this shit down. I hope this shit ain't echoing in the background. But this particular token right here, it tells you what it is. Oh, I'm on the wrong thing. Excuse me. On the wrong screen. This is getting way more difficult than it's got to. So these, you see everything, how this is scrolling up. And then it basically tells you, you know, who created this token, what this token does, which is a big deal. And then a lot of times they'll tell you news about it, or it'll tell you different partners. You know, this got all of the information you need, and then also where to actually buy this token, what exchanges you normally want to find a credible exchange. From what I know about, I mean, I've heard that you can like go to some of these exchanges where you just pretty much the store you go and buy, the website where you go and buy these tokens from, right? But KuCoin is a good one that I use. I've bought coins from there. I've bought coins from Bittrex. Let's see if I see any of these other ones. Those are the only two that I see on this list. But my VeChain, I think I bought it from KuCoin. And then from KuCoin, I just put it in a different wallet that I use for most of my crypto. So KuCoin is a good one if you live in America. Some of these tokens, if you live in the United States, you can't buy them. That you don't get access to them for whatever reason. I don't know why. But like, for instance, Binance, you cannot live in America and actually have a Binance account. So they kind of came up with like a sub account, which is this Binance.us. So you could buy KuCoin on that. The only thing that I got to say about Binance, I mean, they're a credible company and everything, but living in U.S., you do have to go through a verification process, and that verification process has taken me a long time. I actually got $500 in Binance.us right now that I really can't do anything because I'm still being verified, and it's been going on for about 2 or 3 months. So with Bittrex, KuCoin, Coinbase, these are exchanges that they're pretty easy for you to be able to buy tokens. Another good one that I like is Kraken. Sometimes you might have to call your bank and say, hey, I am trying to purchase this token, and then they'll approve the transaction. But with KuCoin, it goes through just fine, I believe. And then another one, Coinbase, it went through just fine. With Bittrex, my bank had they killed the transaction, and I had to call them so they could release it and let it go through. So, buying crypto, it is a little bit of a process. You know what I'm saying? Just because I think banks are in competition with crypto in a way. Remember at the beginning of this, I was talking about how you see this VeChain kind of going up right before our eyes. Did it go up or down? I don't know. But you could kind of see how these tokens move and go up and down just second by second. And when your money is in one of these accounts, it shoots up. As the price goes up, your actual dollar amount is going up. So different types of cryptos that they got are here. Hold on, let's go back. They give you cryptocurrencies rankings. Let's click that. All right, so this is back to the ranking. Look at Bitcoin up over 59,000. When Bitcoin does well in general, the rest of the coins kind of follow suit. They march to the beat of the Bitcoin drum. So when Bitcoin is doing well and going up, a lot of the times you can see all of these other coins are going up. See that? Up, 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 up. Arrow pointing up, up. XRP up. Uniswap is down, but Litecoin. So out of the top 10 coins here, only one was down, and that's because Bitcoin doing this thing, and this is a 24-hour and a 7-day. So Bitcoin is up. It's doing well overall. I mean, we had been stuck in a rut with Bitcoin, but it looks like it's doing good. It's definitely doing good. That shit at 59,000. It was at 10,000 in what we say in July. So can you imagine if you had, just say you had 10,000 in there, and your 10,000 shit did a 5x by now, almost a 6x. So your 10,000 would be at 60,000. And that's the type of investment that you want. You want your money to, and that's without you doing shit. That's just you just sitting there and your money cooking. And yes, it goes up and down from day to day, but overall, the trek is definitely going up, you know? Look, and as we can look at this Bitcoin chart right here, I mean, look, yes, you got some days that it did go down a little bit, down some, down here, down, but look at this, up. And along the way, the times that it goes down or just kind of just like goes sideways where it's not really going up or down a whole lot, it's just kind of just staying in a certain area. Those are the times that it's building these things called support lines and resistance lines. So support line, resistance line is the same thing, but when it's coming up and going over to a new price limit, right? Like shooting up to get over a certain price, that's kind of like a resistant line. Sometimes it'll be coming up. It'll hit a certain point and then go back down a little bit. It can't get over this price point. So that's a resistant line, right? But that same line, once it does get over that price point, all right, and goes up, but then starts to come back down, that same line that was resistance that it finally overcame, now that becomes a support line to say that it probably won't fall below this price. And that's kind of how Bitcoin operates. But I think for us, and when I say us, I mean the people in my community, I think that, and this is for everybody, shit, not just black people or white people, whoever, damn it. You want to really hit a nice lick and you want to see your money come up, you should be paying attention to this coin market cap, right? And you want to go in here and you want to find one of these coins that is coming out 10 cent, 8 cent, 5 cent. Some of this stuff ain't even a penny yet. And you want to put your money there, right? And then just roll up with this stuff. Like, look at this here. This Pundi X. This is up 22.44%. Today up 250. Right? But this, even though it's up all of those percentage points, it's not even a penny yet. So this is the type of stuff that you really want to get behind. You want to buy something like this. It's not a penny. And for it to actually get to 5 cents, your money would do a 5 times, like a 5x. You want 100x. So if this, that's not even a penny, gets to 77 cents, 77 cents, your money flipped 100 times. So putting 10,000 would get you 100,000. No, that would get you 1 million. If you put 10,000, yeah, and it did 100 times. Because 10 times would get you to 100,000. So 100 times would get you to 1 million. And that's what you really want to do. That's the opportunity that lies before us with cryptocurrency. I mean, look, it could actually go down, but what you want to do is you want to find smart, and this on KuCoin too. I think I'm gonna get some of this tonight. I like this Pundi X. Let's see what this do. What does this do? Oh, wait a minute. I did it. I did the wrong thing. Wait a minute. What does Pundi X do? They got all kind of sweet stuff, man. News, wallet. So, okay, cool. They give you news, information, socials, rating, analysis. Let's get an overview on Pundi X. So we see the chart. It started off at, it's never been a penny before, man. Oh, it was actually 1 cent. And this is June of 2018. And of course, most of this stuff comes out like this is the real game. finding the when these things first come out and then buying them, then they always shoot up right there in the beginning, and then after they do that, they drop down, right on time. But I don't know how this goes, but if you can catch one of these like here, 10 bands in there, boy, you gonna go crazy. Get that money. All right, but then, so coming here recently, where we at? We are at March the 7th. So it went from 2, it's not 2 cent, almost 0.2 cent or whatever. I don't even know how to fucking describe how least amount of money this is. But it went from basically from 2 to 8. So you see your money would have been quadrupled just in that short time span. And this is from, so in the last 20 days. In the last 20 days. 10,000 to 40,000. Right there. Right there. You see that? That's what you're looking for. So let's see what this is. Let's say, how do you feel about Pundi X? So Pundi X is up. What is Pundi X? Let's see what. Pundi X is a leading developer of blockchain-powered devices with the aim of transforming retail businesses with its blockchain-based point-of-sale solution. POS. Everybody needs POS. The solution allows retail merchants and consumers to conduct instantaneous in-store transaction on its blockchain. The blockchain solution was founded in 2017 and launched as ICO, world's first point-of-sale solution. Following a successful ICO, Pundi X has successfully launched retail-focused service, including XPO, XWallet, and XPass, as well as the world's first blockchain phone called BOB. This company, which has its headquarters in Singapore, has shipped XPO solution and devices to over 25 markets, United States, Spain. Now, do I know what this does? No, I don't. Not for real. I mean, I know what a POS is. So when people come in my store, right, and they make a sale, the POS is just the way that I process the transaction. Credit card, terminals, me ringing people up, my inventory. Like, for instance, we use a Shopify POS. So Pundi X is doing this, and they probably have some type of technical aspect to whatever it is that they're doing. All right. And so the point in most of these tokens is to improve something, make something a lot better than what it is already. And so I would imagine that they're doing faster transactions and making things some improvement to something that already exists. The point is the marketing behind Pundi X, and if it is good technology, for you to put a few dollars behind it and watch your money grow. One thing, like, it's good to catch this stuff when it's down here. Because a lot of times, if you don't catch things when they down here and you buy them basically at their all-time high, it's some chances that it's going to fall down. So you don't want to FOMO in and buy something when it's at its all-time high necessarily. But when something is at such a low ticket like what this is, it's not even a penny yet. How can you say that the price has went up too high for you to buy in? Because it's not even a penny. I mean, shit, man, we could buy 50,000 Pundi X, man, for how much is 50,000 pennies? Is that $500? We might be able to buy this for $500 or $5,000. Well, it might be 5,000. That would be 50,000 Pundi X. Yeah. Yeah. So I guess the point in all of this is just to say, like, you can take your money, right, and you can put it into a coin. You know, research all of these coins, get on YouTube, spend a little bit of time on there, and just put you a little bit of cheddar in there. The more money that you can put into a project like this, the better. You know, like putting $100 into one of these, you know, it's okay. But if you want your $100 to turn into $400, but you know, some things you do got to get your weight up, and you want to put $1,000 into this. You put $1,000 into it, and then you can see a significant difference. You know, 3 weeks, 20 days, your 1,000 go to 4,000. That's what you're shooting for. You know, and it happens for real. This isn't nothing that I'm just talking about. Like, I promise. I bought that polka dot. My 1,000 went to 4,000. It's just sitting in there, just chugging along. It might have went up to 43. It might be at about 36, but for the most part, it's definitely more than it was when I got started. And you can take your money out at any time you want to, and go and buy a car or whatever it is that you want with it. I mean, it's real money, you know, but it's just sitting inside of a project accumulating. So if you got a little savings and you are somewhat of a risk taker, like I said, you know, you could put your money in this and it could go to zero, but rarely will it go all the way down to zero. I don't know where that shit happened. But if you look at this, like, this is less than a penny, but it's not at zero. So, I mean, you got all of these numbers to actually go down before you completely out of it. And they will put a fraction on whatever money amount you got in order for you to be able to ultimately come back. Right? So, it's just my little introduction to something I really love, man. I love altcoins. I love crypto. I like trading. Like, all of these things is different things that we definitely should be doing inside our community. So you should be looking for different altcoin gems like Pundi X. I love it, Pundi X, man. Way to go, brother. I'm going to buy some Pundi X. Did it just go up or did it go down? How much was Pundi X when we first started this? I think it was at 77. I think it was at 7. You know what? Let's zoom in on this chart real quick. Let's see if they got it at on Coin Market Cap, or here. Let's see here. Do we got Pundi X? Yep. Let's see how Pundi X is doing right now. Where am I at? This is on the daily average. Let's just go to an hour chart. So, Pundi X. Green means what, babe? Go. Green means go. So right here in this last hour, Pundi X is up a whole lot. Looking like it's doing good. So I think in that last, remember I just said, is Pundi X, did it just go up or go down? It went up, it looks like. Let's look at the minute chart of Pundi X. So this is a minute by minute chart that shows you how it's doing. Right? It's going up. It's going up, and that's good. So this is, let's just look at the 4-hour chart of Pundi X. So oh, wait a minute, I can't see. Bring this shit over, boy. This is the 4-hour chart. But like, this is a 4-hour chart. All right, and you see that we got just a little bit of a downtrend going. Let's see if I can zoom out of here to see the overall chart. It's not giving me the whole, I don't know why it's doing that. It's just starting at March 24th. Maybe I can refresh or something. I'll reload. Look at Bitcoin. That's what I really love. Coin market cap. That's my Bitcoin chart. But this is what I would do all day, man. I would go in and I would look at this stuff and see. I mean, if Pundi X is actually, like, let's say that it went down a little bit, that is when you want to buy. If you confident and believe in the technology that is saying it is. Okay, alert, 1 minute green dot. So that's my little market cipher that I got rolling. I mess with it tough. Pundi X. Let's see what Pundi X is. I guess we could. I'll look at it on KuCoin. Shit, I don't know if it really matters. So this is the daily chart of Pundi X. So now we got more data or data. Data. Now we got more data on Pundi X. All right, so let's see here. And this is what? This is my daily chart. So the last couple of days, we done been down a little bit. Let's look at the Bitcoin daily chart. Because these coins march to the beat of Bitcoin's drum a lot of the time. A lot of the time. I mean, when Bitcoin is up, then other things. I mean, I just think that it's just a confidence. BTC USD. Can we get that? Or what's the problem? So, right. So look, and this is the daily chart, right? Remember how Pundi X was just going down these 3 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the days. What days is this? So look, you got your March 21st, March 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th. And, you know, this is just like, this is all pretty much just sideways action. Remember I was talking about them lines of resistance and support. So this looks like a key support line right here. And this is something I had drawn up. Let me bring this back. Hold on. Let me see this. I'm a real live. I know my stuff. Let me see. Oh, wait a minute. So I got a resistant line right here of 59 834. Then I got another resistant line of drawn up. This is me, bud. 57,181. So, you know, I did move this one on accident down here, but let me see if I can bring this back. Yeah. What's this? Bro, I literally predicted a lot of stuff that was right. So right now, let's look at Bitcoin's. What is this? What is this? Oh, so I got a 51,000. I kind of just put that right there. I don't know if that's exactly where I had that thing at or not. But That's not. This is 50. That's not no 51,000. What is this? Oh yeah, it is. But so this line that I had, you see how this is coming up, bouncing off of this line I had? That is amazing. Wow, look at me with my TA. I am. Talk to me. Talk to me. All right, man. I'm about to get out of here. 43. Babe, I just talked about Bitcoin for 43 minutes and didn't even care. Like, it was nothing to me. I could do my own show anytime of Bitcoin. But do enough black people care? Because white people ain't going to listen to me. I know I wouldn't.
If you know what you, like if you sound good, and I was like, I would listen.
Yeah. So that's it. Not only do black people need to listen to me, white people need to listen to me. Because I'm teaching you guys. I'm going to tell you guys who needs to listen to me. Like inner city people, period. Whites, blacks, Chinese, Mexicans, all of you guys, man. If you live in the inner city, you vibe like me. And you need to listen to me. Buy some altcoins. Get you some Bitcoin. I tell you to get some Bitcoin only so you can kind of like follow what's going on. But the real thing is you need you some altcoins. The altcoins I got, H-bar, shot straight to the moon. V-chain has been doing good, but these last few days when I had it, it's been kind of just moving sideways. Definitely ain't did bad. Can't say that. I ain't lost no money with it. Moving sideways, holding steady for me. And Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum is another great one, but it's at $1,800 right now. So if you want to buy something that's $1 or less, and you want to see your money multiply pretty quick, man, go in there, get you some H-bar, get you some V-chain. I get some Pundi X. There's another one called Basic Attention Token. I like that one. Baby, it's this other one I've been seeing called Funfair. That's like some gambling stuff. I like that one. And I always wanted to say this because I see all the cool people say shit like this, but this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, okay? The only thing that I'm telling you is things that I like and what I'm doing. But of course, you should be researching this stuff yourself. I just want to just kind of put it out there to just show everybody, like, look, it's another way. Invest your little money in altcoins and crypto, and I can see you getting some bread. And then the other way to make money real fast is trading. You need to be trading. So I'll do a trading video tomorrow. But I'm your boy. Everybody got a crypto name, babe. Can you give me a crypto name?
What kind of names do they be having?
Names, all of them got crypto in it. Like Crypto Face, he's a big dog. BitBoy Crypto. Yeah, you got Carl. I don't think he got no name, but he's another person I watch. That's our one bro that be like, I think you should. Exactly as I predicted. His name is Carl to the moon, yeah. And then who else do we got? Those are my bro Da Vinci 15. He another bro. He's smart. He gets it in. Yeah. Should I Crypto King? Damn, can I just come in as Crypto King? Crypto Commando. Yeah, are you kidding me? You hear how it rang? My name is Smedro Commando, but we call myself Crypto Commando. Crypto Commando. I mess with it. All right, so you rocking with Crypto Commando. My name's Smid Commando. Yeah. We rocking. We rocking nonstop on the block. Who got them rocks? If you want some rocks, which is another name for crypto coins, It's made by me. Let's go. NFTs. I'm covering everything, bro. I don't care. This is what I like cryptocurrency. I like talking about crypto. You know what I'm saying? That's all I care about. It's crypto. I feel so much better now. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do with my life until I made this video. And now I see I'm nothing more than a crypto guru, sergeant, crypto commando. And I'm a champion. I'm a champion. And people say, how much money he got? I don't know what I'm talking about anymore. Okay. So, you can see my prediction is holding strong. No, I didn't just move this down. And as I learn, you guys will learn with me. But the main thing that I really want to do is just teach you guys about altcoins, gems, and so on and so forth. All right. All that stuff that I was talking about, if I say anything offensive on here, is nothing more than a joke. Because I don't say fucked up stuff about people for real. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining the Crypto Commando show with your boy Smed Commando. Or is my name just Crypto Commando? My name is Crypto Commando. It's not Crypto Commando with Smed Commando. All right, cool. So, all right, thanks for tuning in to Crypto Commando. Who is me? My name's Smed. Smed stands for stacking money every day. Stacking money every day, Crypto Commando. Yeah, Smed LLC TV. All right, we out of here. Babe, anything?
Make sure y'all go follow and like on YouTube.
Follow.
Smed TV LLC.
Yes. So please like, subscribe to this video. I mean, you know, a lot of times YouTube wants to keep crypto content. You know what I mean? They don't like crypto content. Is that true? Is that true? Nobody knows that's true. But let's just say that they don't. So please like and subscribe. And man, not only that, I always say, you hear people say like, subscribe, ring the bell notification, and then even take this video and share it. You don't want to be the only one with money. So subscribe and let's go. All right. Peace, everybody. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.